So, I finally meet the prefect for the Congregation for the Clergy. I've been anxious to see you.
Here I am, Holy Father.
Did you vote for me in the conclave, Your Eminence?
Not even once.
Why not?
Even though I don't know your ideas, in truth no one does. You are a pupil of Cardinal Spencer, and Cardinal Spencer is a conservative. A moderate conservative, but a conservative nonetheless. I am not a conservative. I figure you were a conservative as well. Are you, Holy Father?
What do you think?
I think that if the name you have chosen, Pius XIII, is intended to signal a continuity with Pius XII, then there is reason for concern. Let's not forget that Pius XII considered Mussolini to be a man of divine providence. At any rate, the College of Cardinals was very rushed to elect a pontiff whose ideas and orientation they didn't know.
I agree with you. They were indeed rushed.
At any rate, Holy Father, I didn't mean to be either critical or polemical. You asked me a question, and I consider it my duty to respond truthfully.
Sincerity is a quality I greatly appreciate. I am going to ask you another question, and you will grant me the courtesy of another sincere answer.
Of course, Holy Father.
Are you a homosexual, Your Eminence?
Yes, Holy Father.
Time for your snack, Holy Father. My snack? Yes, Holy Father, your snack. All right, that's what you call it. Well, Your Eminence, goodbye. I have to have my snack.